Ready to elevate your living experience in the vibrant heart of Glasgow? Welcome to Clifton and Stewart House. Imagine stepping into your dream apartment, sleek, stylish, and brimming with modern amenities. Whether you're diving into your studies and collaborative spaces or unwinding with friends in the lively game area and craft room, your creative spirit will flourish. And with an on-site gym, staying fit has never been easier. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Immerse yourself in high-speed internet and dynamic social events that make meeting new friends a breeze. Here's the cherry on top. Clifton and Stewart House boasts an unbeatable location just a short stroll away from the University of Glasgow and the Glasgow School of Art. Treat yourself to delicious barbecue at Van Winkle or fuel your day with a quick coffee at Park District Cafe. With multiple transport options right at your doorstep, exploring the city is effortless. Don't settle for the ordinary, embrace the extraordinary. Visit amberstudent.com and secure your stay at Clifton and Stewart House in Glasgow today.